Hello, in front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Wear OS application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open it. In the application, you should see the device page for your TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra. On this page, scroll down, tap on Advanced Settings, and here tap on Disconnect TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra button. Then tap on Disconnect, and the app should go back to this page. Now we can close it, open the settings on our iPhone. In Settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra on the list of devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget the device. In the meantime, the watch should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And once you remove the Forget the device right here in the Bluetooth settings, you can close the settings, and at this point, the watch is completely unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.